Hi everybody, this is Tarot by Lavina. Welcome to our new video, and we're going to talk about the healings today. So as you all know, I'm a healer. I'm a pranic healer, I'm a Reiki healer, and I'm a crystal healer. So today I have here my client who has come for a healing. She's Nihali, and we are going to do a crystal healing for her first. So this is my wand. This is a selenite wand with which I'm going to clean her chakras, and then I'm going to energize her chakras. So let's start with her Ajna chakra, that is the third eye, which is between the two eyebrows. So what we do is we go anti-clockwise, and when we go anti-clockwise we clean the chakra. So once you start cleaning the chakra, the client is going to feel some kind of vibrations on that chakra. So after you have done this about 21 times or 45 times, depending on how intense the chakra is, and then we go clockwise. After we have finished the chakra, we scan the chakra and see what is the size of the chakra. Now her size is pretty big. Now we want a normal size. So this is a normal size of the chakra. So until and unless the chakra is not cleaned and energized properly, we keep on cleaning and energizing the chakra. Once that is done, we stabilize the chakra and go on to the next chakra. So then we go on to the throat chakra. We clean it, say about 45 times. After we clean it, we energize the chakra 45 times. After doing this, we scan again and see how big the chakra is. So can you see the chakra is pretty big? So we repeat this process again, and we energize the chakra again, and then we stabilize the chakras. When we stabilize the chakra, we actually close in the energy that we have put. Going on to the heart chakra, which is between the two lungs. So we again clean this chakra, but we do not energize the heart chakra because it's a delicate organ. Okay. Now heart chakra is usually not enlarged or something. It's generally very normal in size. Going on to the solar plexus, which is just a little above the navel, say 3 fingers above the navel. So we again clean this chakra 45 times and energize the chakra. After doing this, again we scan the chakra. Now if you see again, our chakras are a bit enlarged. So we redo this process. As I told you, we redo it, we clean it again, we energize it again, and then we stabilize it. Then going on to the navel chakra, which is just below the navel, say about 2 fingers below the navel. So again we do this, and then we energize it and we scan it. So if you feel the chakras are enlarged or they are small, sometimes they are even smaller in size, then we redo the process and bring the chakra to the normal size, and then we stabilize it. Going on to our last chakra, which is the root chakra. So generally we do the root to the end, towards the end. So that is where your spine ends. So again we do that, we clean it and energize it. Check the energy of the chakra and stabilize it. So this is how we do the crystal healing. Now we can also do the healing with a particular color of the chakra. Now if, for example, if she is affected with the throat, she has a throat infection, so we take the color blue. So in our last video we have spoken about the colors. So if you want, you can even do it with particular colors. So what I do is, if all her other chakras are a little okay, but only thing her throat chakra is very badly affected, So I do the healing even with the crystals. So what happens when you do it with a particular color, that color gets infused inside the chakra. Okay, the same procedure, and then we stabilize it. So this is how we do the crystal healing. In the next video, we are going to talk about the Reiki and the pranic healing and how useful it is and how you can get rid of all the medicines and treat yourself by yourself, and you don't need a doctor. So how would you feel if you are treating yourself without any medicines and just by investing a bit on these crystals or on these wands and doing things for yourself, for you and your family, isn't it? So get back to me and I'll tell you all the details about these crystals. See you. Bye.